You may have seen Jotform's amazing launch of their new AI agent, but you may be wondering what makes Jotform stand out from other AI agents? How can you set up an AI agent that responds instantly to any customer anywhere, anytime, even while you're sleeping? What's the difference between a WhatsApp agent, chatbot agents, phone agent, voice agent, and how can you do this without any complicated tech setup and doing it all for free because they have a very generous free plan? Well, since I partnered with Jotform, I'm able to take a deep look and show you every feature step by step. But stick with me to the end because I'm going to show you one tip that makes the AI agent smarter with every single chat. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So let's get started making our first AI agent. Step number one, go to jotform.ai, or you can click the link in the description down below that will take you to this page. As you can see, the future of customer service. And you can see one of the 4 key things that Jotform has nailed is their friendly personalities. And we're going to see a lot more of that once we go through this video. Now, how to make an account is just to click on create your AI agent here. It's free, and immediately you'll be taken into step number 2, set up the AI agent. As you can see, there are 6 different AI agents that you can pick between. And the principle that they have here is that they want your AI agent to be everywhere. If you're at a store, you can text it with WhatsApp. If you're in the car, you can call it on the phone, focusing heavily on being everywhere the user might be interacting with it. A real world example that I want to set up in this video is somebody that has a restaurant that gets questions all the time about reservation and what's on the menu. And this can work 24/7 even when they sleep. So let's click on WhatsApp and click on next. Then we can either start from scratch, start with a form, use template, or clone yourself. I already tried to clone myself, which had a very interesting result. However, the one that is going to be most applicable for most people is to use a template. As you can see, they have thousands, I believe, of templates for agents. Now, these have been trained on special prompts and going back and forth with the agent to train it on being an expert in exactly what you want. By just searching restaurant, I found that they have a lot of different restaurant agents. I think this is the one that I'm going to use, the order AI agent. So let's click on that. And right away, we have our order agent ready to go. Hello, I'm your AI agent here to help your restaurant order. What delicious dish are you craving today? We can either select these 2 options, or we can go type, what do you have on the menu? Appetizers like crispy onion ring, soups like cream of wild mushroom. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'll demo it a little bit later once we've set up more things, but let's click back here and go to the next step, customize the agent. So as you can see, we selected the WhatsApp version of it, but on this side here, you can select SMS, phone, voice, chatbot that could pop up in a lower right, and standalone that looks like this. I'm going to customize it by going to this button in the top, and here you can see the gallery of the friendly avatars that they have absolutely nailed. It's impossible to pick a bad option, which many softwares have, and this is all to the benefit of the customer. We also have generate here, where if you click that, you can see you get the exact prompt that they used to generate this girl here. And you can even change it. So if you don't like that she's holding a sandwich, you could easily do holding a pizza, generate avatar. That's really incredible. We can also upload our own avatar just from a picture. For example, the avatar we use in the newsletter. I can click on remove background and save. And there we have my avatar. That actually looks so good, even in the top of the chat. Besides the avatar, you can also change the style. So here we can have a start color, which is the top color here, that I'm gonna bring to be a little bit more dark. And then we can change the end color to be another tone of blue and maybe a even darker or even brighter like this. Let's go back to the restaurant theme of this video by AI Mate. In the top, we can select different color schemes that they have applied for us, even changing it to dark mode. I'm gonna pick this one and I'm gonna set the end color to a little bit brighter and the start color a little bit brighter as well. I think this looks quite good. Also, I'll change the title color to black, and this is where you can change the agent name, Victoria, and the agent role. You can also select the background style. You can upload or generate background images, different chat style, button styles, and layouts, adding your own logo in here as well. And they make it very simple to make a beautiful looking chatbot with gorgeous looking avatars. So now that we've set up how it looks like, we're going to go to the next step, train the AI agent. So as you can see, we're going to click on train, and here is where you can add knowledge, actions, tools, forms, and teach your agent. And this is where Jotform stands out from the rest. If you go in the bottom right-hand corner, you can already start teaching your agent. Just like if you were to have an employee, you would train them and talk to them every day to teach them important things. It works very similarly inside of Jotform. Click on the AI persona. Here again, you can change a couple of the default settings here. Customize the chat response length if you want it to be longer and really chatty apparently. I like minimalist. You can select a voice here as well. Let's take a quick listen.
Jotform AI agents are powerful tools that handle tasks.
We have a lot to pick from. That is really high quality. AI voices sound really natural these days, so they're actually quite comfortable talking to. You also see voice guidelines here. Your main goal is to maintain a friendly, provide clear, and these are very important to have in your chatbot to get it to respond how you want it to. And then we have knowledge base. But the first thing that we can do is to add new knowledge. Here we can train it on knowledge, linked file, questions, and answers. So if you have a website and you have your menu on the website in text format, you can just provide your link here. If you have the knowledge in a file like a PDF, you can do it here. But if you just want to text it kind of right now, you can tell it our menu is, and then list out your menu. But what I recommend most people do is to upload a file with all of your FAQs. So I have this FAQ company doc that answers a bunch of questions. Now, this is not for restaurants, it's more for software. But if I take that file, download it, and upload it just like this, describe how our agent should use it to answer frequently asked questions. Save, and the agent is now reading it and taking that into its memory from your opening times to your support email. And if you compare this to other chatbot builders, they only give the option to upload FAQs and documents, while the real secret is in teaching your agent after every chat that it has with somebody else. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute. So you can now see that we've updated our knowledge base. Now the next step is to add actions. As you can see, we can select a when tag that is customizable for the situation. So if the user wants to order food, you can do any of these things. Make an appointment, find a website, even send API requests. But the main one, fill form, can be extremely beneficial for any real estate agent, travel agent, moving companies. The list goes on and on. And when people fill out the form, that's a qualified lead to your business. So you can go as deep as you want on these actions. But the next thing is tools. So these are automations for your agent. They can take notes, notify you when specific topics are mentioned, You can ask for information, store that, and a bunch more. Set appointments, send emails, set appointments in your Google Calendar, send to Google Drive. So you can really use it as your own assistant and even send messages in Slack. They just launched, so if you have a request for a tool, you can ask for that in this box here. Next, we have forms. Here you can see we have a restaurant order form. This is from the template that my AI agent has. For me, I have a restaurant order form set up. In the back end, it looks like this. And then we have teach your agent. As you can see, it says prepare your agent simply by talking. So let's test that for a minute. Hey, I'm wondering, what do you know? And there she goes. I know quite a bit about Acme Restaurant. The cuisine, order options, special instructions, even payment methods and location. Which addresses do you deliver to? So they said you can pick between restaurant A, restaurant B when filling out the order form. How does the order form look? Oh, here you go. This is all of what is on the order form. And that's what I just showed you. And she's actually listing it out step by step, what's on there. And here is the restaurant order form. The crazy part is you can start asking it questions that it doesn't know. And then when we go into the back end, you can see that we have this missing knowledge here that you can answer, and it gets smarter with each interaction. I've never seen this before, and I think this is a brilliant idea. I'm gonna ask it, can I tell you all these things with questions so I don't have to do the order form? I think there is an action that I can set up that is fill form and restaurant order form. As you can see, I can click save now. And then if we preview it again, and now I'm not in the training, but I'm in the real one. I'm gonna click on order from the restaurant. It wants to get name, Andy, provide my email. And it seems like we can actually click here on open form. And then we can fill it out here as well manually if we don't want to use the chat to potentially do it even quicker. So this is really amazing for the customer. Thinking about seeing that this is live 24/7 and your restaurant is closed, you can still learn about menu options, dietary restrictions, and a lot more. But for anybody to be able to use this, you need to go to the next step, publish. So I'm going to click on the publish button in the top here. Right away, you get a shareable link that you can copy and give to somebody else. How this looks like is the standalone version that we just created. This is also the one that you can embed on your website as a chatbot or even WordPress, Lightbox, or pop-up. We also have a chatbot agent, phone agent, which is very valuable for businesses where you can buy a phone number for $10 a month. The voice agent, I want to show you in a minute. SMS agent works with phone as well. WhatsApp, Messenger, platform that allows you to integrate it with your favorite website creators, and an AI agent app. But I want to test out Victoria's voice model.
Hello, I'm Victoria, your friendly AI agent here to help with your order. How can I help you?
I was thinking about ordering some food.
Great choice. What type of food are you in the mood for today?
I was thinking about some crispy onion rings.
Crispy onion rings sound delicious. Would you like to add anything else to your order?
Yeah, can you mention some things that you have?
We have a variety of delicious options, including Thai spring roll, cream of wild mushroom soup, classic hamburger, and Dutch apple pie, among others. Would you like to add something specific?
Yeah, can I get some of those Thai spring rolls? And you said apple pie. Can I get that as well?
You will need to pay at the end of our conversation. First, may I have your full name, please?
So I stopped it there because it wanted me to basically fill out the form via voice. So I bet there are better ways to set this up that I haven't found out. And I also want to be transparent that right now, as I tested it, the latency to actually get an answer was quite high. However, this is their launch day, so it might be a lot of people using it right now on launch day. So if you're watching this video, go and check out voice agents and the phone agents, because I have seen them be quite quick in other demos. But the last question that you might be wondering about is, what's the price? So as we can see, we have yearly pricing turned on, and for the free plan, they actually have a very generous free plan. The next level is the $19 per month. If you do it in the yearly plan, you can see you save 50% off. Here, it's $39 a month if you want to pay monthly. What you get when you upgrade to different tiers is 25 agents, 50 agents, 100 agents, and pretty much it just goes up and up and up the more you pay. There is also an enterprise level where you can get unlimited. That also gives you a lot more things. It's also important to note that you do get a Jotform branding on the free plan, but on the paid plans that goes away, which might make for a more user-friendly experience. But the main question that you have to ask yourself is this worth it? Well, if this takes care of your customer support and you have one person on payroll, just think about how much you're paying them. Or if you ask yourself, if you're a solopreneur, how much time are you spending each and every week on tasks like this? And is it worth to pay some money to free your time? For me, that obviously makes sense. I have 5 team members. So to give tools like this in their hands and freeing them up to do more and better work is definitely worth it. But the best part is that you can get started for free, test out all the features, and see if this is completely right for you. Just go in the link in the description down below and we'll take you to this website. Just click on create your AI agent and you'll be on your way to create your first AI agent. I hope that this was helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.